have the data, right? To track learning outcome and become better teacher and thus become a better student. So here we track the learning outcome, we track how well the students are understanding and the grammar action. This is the picture of SSTM looking to the multi-purpose hall. So we had SSTM there, where you can see the student is reading the answer sheet, the analysis sheet to the section sheet on the table, sheet, and parents reflection. After the SLPM, student will write this reflection sheet where he will mention what is the success, was he able to